Topview 4.0 just released the world's first collaborative AI video board. That means you can generate images, videos, and avatars all in one place with your team working together live. Now that's perfect for anyone creating content at scale or managing client feedback. In this video, you'll learn how the workspace works, which AI models that you get access to, and how to go from idea to finished video without switching tools. Hey everyone, I'm Dawson, and let's just jump in. Here's what makes the new Topview different. Instead of using separate tools for images, videos, avatars, and voice, everything happens on this shared board. You get access to all the top AI models, Veo, Sora, Kling, Seedance, Nano Banana Pro, all in one place. And here's the kicker, multiple people can work on the same board at the same time. That's real-time collaboration for AI content creation. That's never existed before. Also, I've been testing this for the last 2 weeks, and I'm going to show you why this matters. All right, so let me show you what the board actually looks like. This is the main workspace. It's an infinite canvas where all of your content lives. Watch, I'm creating a new board right now for a product campaign. And here's where it gets interesting. I'm generating 6 different product images at once. Yeah, they're all appearing on the board as they finish. Now, while those are generating, my teammate Sergey is working on the same board with me. So he's over there creating video variations while I'm doing images. We're both working at the same time. That's the collaboration piece. Now, let's say I want feedback on this image. I click it, I leave a comment, say, Sergey, try this with the blue background. He gets notified instantly. He can reply right here on the asset. No Slack message, no email change, no which file version are we looking at. And here's something I love, this star rating system. So after we generate a bunch of options, we rate them from 1 to 3 stars, so it actually learns your preferences as you go. Then I can filter the entire board to only show top-rated content. So when you're managing hundreds of assets across multiple projects, this is huge. I can also share this board with clients. So they get view-only access, they can leave comments and approvals, but they can't mess with the workflow, which is important, obviously. So instead of sending files back and forth, everyone's just looking at the same board. Here's what this replaced for me. We used to spend 3 days doing email back and forth on campaign revisions. With this board, we knocked out the entire feedback cycle in 4 hours. Everything is documented right in the assets. No lost files, no confusions about which version is current. And this is the first AI video platform that does this. Runway, Pika, Midjourney, they're all solo experiences. You generate, download, share files. Topview nailed multiplayer AI creation. If you've got a team, a VA you work with, or clients that review content, this changes the entire workflow. All right, now here's where Topview gets really powerful. Instead of paying for 5 different AI tools separately, they've put all of the top models into one platform. Now watch this, I'm taking the same product image and generating videos with 5 different AI models to compare quality. So here's Veo 3 from Google, super cinematic, broadcast quality look, right? This is the premium option when you need that high-end feel. Now, Kling 2.5, this is incredible motion control, super smooth. This is my go-to for product demos because it's consistent and it's fast. Sora 2 from OpenAI, most creative interpretation. It takes more risks, sometimes it's stunning, sometimes it's weird. Great for experimental content. Seedance Pro, it has consistent quality, 2K resolution. When I need to create 20 videos and they all need to look good, this is what I use. And then Hailuo, this is the fastest generation, about 30 seconds. Quality is good enough for social media testing. And here's Kontext. This is great for longer videos with consistent style. So when I need 20-second plus content, this holds quality really well. The ability to compare these side by side on the same board, this is how you learn which models work best for your content style. After creating dozens of videos, here's what I've learned. For product demos, I use Kling or Seedance. For luxury brand content, Veo 3. For quick social media tests, Hailuo. For creative experimentation, Sora 2. And for images, you've got Nano Banana Pro. Ideogram, Qwen for Chinese text, all the latest models. Plus 2,000 AI avatars and voice clonings built in. All right, now let's talk about Topview's subscription model. Before I was using it, I needed separate subscriptions. Runway is $76 a month, Pika $35, Illuma $30, 11 Labs $22. You're easily spending $150 to $200 a month for multiple tools. Topview's business plan, it starts from just $40 a month. You get all the models, plus the collaboration features, plus images and avatars. The math makes sense. And here's what's cool. This is actually much cheaper than using each model separately. And of course, they keep adding the newest models as they drop, so you're always working with the latest AI. Now, let me show you my favorite thing about Topview, this continuous creation flow. Now, watch how fast I can go from idea to finished video. I'm creating a product demo for wireless earbuds, starting from scratch right now. First, generating the product image. I'll type this prompt right here. Sleek black wireless earbuds on marble surface, studio lighting, using Nano Banana Pro. Hit generate, and 20 seconds later, product shots appear on my board. Now, I click the image, I select image to video, choose Kling for smooth motion, and type this prompt. Camera rotating around the product. Let's just hit generate on that. And 90 seconds later, I've got an 8-second product video. So I'm choosing this tech reviewer style from their 2000 avatars. Let's give it a script. These earbuds have 40-hour battery life. Now, this avatar will be using my clone voice that I set up before. Now hit generate. 2 minutes later, here's a finished video with an AI avatar holding and talking about the product. Total time from idea to finished video with avatar, about 6 minutes. The old way, I generate the image in Midjourney, download it, upload it to Runway, generate the video, download it, upload to DID, add an avatar, download it, and then maybe bring it into CapCut. That's 30 to 45 minutes of switching tools, downloading, uploading, and I'm paying for 3 separate subscriptions. With Topview, you can generate, convert, or add avatars. 6 minutes and only 1 subscription. Again, everything stays on the same board, and this is how your creativity just never stops. I can also export directly to different platform formats. TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, all optimized automatically. This workflow is perfect for e-commerce sellers creating product demos at scale, affiliate marketers testing multiple products, marketing teams that are doing social media content calendars, anywhere that you need volume and speed basically. So, who gets the most value out of this? Let's start with social media creators. If you're producing 10 to 50 videos per week for TikTok, Instagram, YouTube Shorts, this workflow is built for that volume. Now, for e-commerce, it turns supplier images into demo videos in minutes. I've created dozens of product videos this way. The quality is perfect for Amazon listings, Shopify stores, TikTok shops. For marketing teams and agencies, the collaboration features alone make it worth it. So, multiple team members, client review boards, asset organizations with star ratings, this is designed for team workflows. And of course, the pricing makes sense for different levels. They have a free plan with 10 credits to test it out, and then the pro plan is $29 a month, perfect for solo creators. The business plan is $75 a month, great for teams. So both of these give you access to all of the models and tools, and you get them on a pretty nice discount if you pay annually. All right, my honest take, this is the first AI video platform that actually understands how teams work. The collaborative board, the model access, the seamless workflow, it all just clicks. What I love is the real-time collaboration. This is genuinely game-changing. Having all the top AI models in one place instead of just juggling subscriptions, and going from one prompt to finished video in one workspace without downloading anything. But also, let's put things in perspective, right? These aren't Hollywood productions yet, but for social media, product demos, content testing, this absolutely works. The video length is capped at 15 to 20 seconds depending on your plan, and you'll need to try 2 to 5 times to get exactly what you want. But that's AI. It's about speed and volume, not perfection. So if you're currently paying for multiple AI tools and spending time managing files and feedback across email and Slack, Topview puts all of that in one place. And if you're trying to scale video content without hiring a production team, this makes that possible. So Check the link in the description. They do have a free plan so you can test the workflow yourself. In my school community, I'm sharing my model selection guide, prompt templates that work well, and board organization strategies. So you're welcome to check that out as well. Now, before we wrap up, I want to hear from you. Seriously, what are you using right now to create AI ads? Are you juggling 5 different subscriptions and downloading files between tools? Drop a comment and tell me your current setup. I'm curious. Midjourney Plus, Runway, CapCut Plus, 11 Labs, or maybe you found something better than Topview. Anyway, whatever it is, let me know in the comments below. Hey, if this workflow helped you out, hit subscribe, click the like button because I'm going to keep discovering simple systems just like this that actually save you time and money. All right, that is it for the day. Thank you so much for hanging out with me, and I will see you in the next video where we're going to take this even further and dive into AI-powered productivity. Just click the video to my left and you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. See you there.